I just have a small plea for the people, especially the free people of the world. It is just an entity of America, is an entity of Britain for them to achieve their goals, especially those colonial goals that they have there, using the Bible to commit a genocide. Jesus Christ was born in Palestine, guys, in Bethlehem. If you check the map today, the place called Bethlehem, it's in Palestine. Most people don't know that. They think it's in Israel. It's not. Israel is a political country. It's not a country from the Bible. The Israel that you see today, it is not the same Israel of the chosen people, of the Israelites. There are no Israelites in Israel. They are Israelis. There's a huge difference between Israelites and Israelis. Israelites are the chosen ones. They're the chosen people, us. The real Jews, not those ones who call themselves Jews and they are stealing land in Palestine. No, those are not the real Jews. We know that. They're from Russia, Ukraine, Poland. That's their place. They're not coming from there. They have no historical connection to the land. If there are people that's supposed to claim that area, is the Jews, the real ones, the Africans. They are the ones that have been pushed out of those areas there. But anyway, I just want to say, guys, if you do have a platform, please make sure that you don't stop talking about Palestine, and also do denounce your government, because right now our government, South African government, has taken Israel to court for genocide. But at the same time, they are busy pumping coal to Israel, the coal that is being used to power their genocidal machine. Without the coal, Israel will slow down their genocide. Yes, because our coal export to Israel has increased by 17% so far. Israel and America has already said that South Africa knew of 7 October. So it means they want to find an excuse to come and bomb us. So it's possible that those guys can come and bomb South Africa. They've already infiltrated our government. You can see what's happening with the arrest, with the police commissioners, whatever. It's an infiltration. That's a proof, a sign of Zionist attempt to do regime change in South Africa. All they want is regime change here, and they will achieve it. How can they go to the White House and be humiliated like that, and you don't even push back, Cyril? Come on, man. And now you are busy sending coal to Israel. That's nonsense. You come here and say, hey, Israel is committing a genocide. At the same time, you are busy sending coal to Israel. That coal is being used to pump up these AI machines, man. Someone need to stop this thing. South Africa need to stop sending coal to Israel now. Stop the genocide now. It's possible that once they're done with their experiment in Palestine, what they're doing there, because they're busy experimenting to see how far people can be patient. So far, we've proven that we can allow anyone to come and murder people for no reason, for stupid reasons of misunderstanding the scripture of the Bible. No, man. Someone needs to stop the genocide. Free Palestine.